Hi guys, welcome to IGX Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to install Stable Diffusion locally without any filters. Personally, I don't have any video graphics card, so it might be a bit different if you have a graphics card. First, you need to create an account on GitHub, and then you need to create an account on the Hugging Face. I will provide the links in the description. The next step is to download some programs. I will leave the links in the description. You can download them from there. First, go to Git for Windows and hit the download button. It takes some time to download. Now go to your Downloads folder and install the Git for Windows. Agree to the terms and conditions. Just uncheck the Windows Explorer integration. Rest leave all of them as it is and install. Once it is installed, just launch it. Now go to your C drive and create a new folder called AI. Now right-click on the folder and copy it. Now go to the Git program that is opened and type cd space. Right-click and paste the address you copied and press enter. Now go to another GitHub link I have provided in the description and copy the code by clicking the green button and copy the code. Now come back to the GitBash and type git space clone space, and then paste the link you copied and press enter. It will take a few seconds to complete the process. Once it is done, go to Hugging Face link that is provided in the description and download the latest version of Stable Diffusion. To download the latest version of Stable Diffusion, click on the CKPT file. This file is very large and takes approximately 20 minutes to download. While the file is being downloaded, go to the another link that is provided in the description and download the GFPGAN face restoration. This will help you while making characters. Scroll down a bit and click on version 1.4 model. Next, download the Python program by using the link provided in the description. Scroll down to the bottom and download the version that suits your PC. Currently, I am using a 64-bit Windows version, so I am downloading that. If you are using a 32-bit version, you can download that. Once it is downloaded, install it. Click on the Add Python 3.10. Now click on the Install button. While the process is installing, we will do other stuff. First, go to the AI folder we have created. Click on the Stable Diffusion. Inside the Stable Diffusion folder, you will find some files. Now drag and drop the GFPGAN face restoration file you have downloaded. Now go to Models, click on Stable Diffusion. Now drag and drop the CKPT file. By now the Python should have been installed. Once it is installed, open the main AI folder we have created. Now double-click on the WebUI user Windows batch file. it will start installing a bunch of things. It takes a lot of time, like 20 to 40 minutes. If you ever find yourself waiting for more than an hour and you don't see any progress, the download would have been paused. Just press Enter. It will resume the installation process. As I don't have any video graphics card, it is showing some errors. If you face these errors while installing, just paste the codes that I have provided in the description. Due to the errors, the Stable Diffusion does not open initially. After fixing them, it opened. As I don't have a dedicated graphics card in my PC, the website initially lagged a lot. After settling down, it worked fine. Just play around with the settings, adjust the height and width of the image. Now write the prompt and hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the images. Sometimes it even takes 5 to 10 minutes on low-end PCs. You can also check the progress of your image generation in the command prompt. Once the images are generated, you can find those images on Output folder. The generated images will be saved automatically. That's it. Now you have installed the Stable Diffusion locally.